Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. I've been canning various things lately. Guys, I'm going to do something a little out of the ordinary today. I'm sure most of you folks have heard of rebel canning. Well, I am going to rebel can some smoked ham. How am I going to do it? I have the ham, which is fully cooked. I'm going to put it in a jar. I'm not going to put any water in it. And I'm going to put it in my canner. It's going to be more of a firmer texture than the traditionally canned ham. Okay. I'm also not putting any salt in the jars because I think ham is salty enough. I should have enough for 2 jars here. I had an extra one out. Guys, how many of you all rebel can? Have you ever rebel canned? Have you ever heard of rebel canning? Well, I learned about it a few years ago, and I have tried so many things that are outside the norm. So, folks, don't call the canning police on me. Okay? I don't need the canning police called. I thought when I done my video on my dry canned potatoes that I was going to have the canning police called. But folks, just because something is not USDA or FDA approved does not mean it's not safe. Okay? You bring your food up to temperature, you process it for the correct time, and for me, myself, and my family, there's no issues with it. You do your research and see what works best for you. Now, I will link my traditionally canned ham to this video. That way, if you feel like that's the best thing for you to do, then by all means, you have to do what works best for you. But I don't always do what everybody tells me I need to do. Life would be awful boring if you did that. But this is perfectly safe, in my opinion, for me. Like I say, do your own research. Okay, this is just cubed up ham from a smoked ham. Okay, I'm wiping the rims off with a paper towel that's been soaked in vinegar. Just going to put the lids on there, finger tight. Folks, I'm only going to get 2 of those in there. I guess we have to eat this one the way it is. But that's okay because I'm going to make some ham stock. So that will go really good at that. Okay, back to the subject. Guys, this is real life. And I just say what pops in my mind. Okay, I'm putting my lid on my canner. I've already got my white vinegar in there. Okay, folks, my canner has cooled down. I've taken the lid off. And I have my ham. Okay, folks, let me refresh your memory. This is what I would call a rebel canned ham. I did not add any liquid to it. The liquid that you see in there is what cooked out of the ham. A lot of people, and I have myself multiple times, added stock or water to my jars. And that gives a softer ham. But this is more like a roasted ham. And the flavor is totally different whenever you do anything dry canned over something that you've added liquid to. Now, like I said earlier, just because it's not USDA, FDA, ABC agency approved does not mean it's not safe. It has been processed for the full amount of time, and there's nothing wrong with it for me in my kitchen. But you do what you think is going to be best for you in your kitchen. But folks, I don't need a bunch of canning police in my kitchen. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and share the videos. And we'll see you on the next video.